Good morning and happy Monday, guys. So today you actually have a very easy day. You don't have lettering or handwriting, and you only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. And then Friday is called Good Friday, and then you will have spring break next week, which means you will not have to do any work next week, okay? So today is Monday reading. We are going to read weird animals called wood frogs and answer the questions. We're going to complete math practice 13. And then in science, read living or non-living book. And then specials, complete a PE or music activity. So with your science and your specials, let me go ahead and pull up science, living and non-living book. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and read Weird Animal Wood Frogs. It is by Rachel Graham. That means she wrote the words in the book. Can you think of something that gets hard and freezes when it is very cold? Water turns to ice, but did you know some frogs can freeze too? Wood frogs freeze when it gets cold. Then when it warms up, they warm up too. And then this is labeled, the picture is labeled. A wood frog can freeze when it gets cold. Finding a safe place. Wood frogs rest when they are frozen. They sleep all winter. A wood frog finds a spot to rest in the fall. This place must be safe. The frog will stay there all winter. This frog has found a good place to rest, so that's where he's going to rest at all winter. Winter and ice. Winter is cold. Lots of things freeze. Ice can go all around a wood frog. It covers its whole body. Much of the water in a wood frog's body turns to ice, but the frog just sleeps. And so here's a picture. Ice can go all around a wood frog. Frozen frogs. A frozen wood frog feels hard like a rock. Its body stays very still. It does not move. Wood frogs can stay frozen for a very long time. And then on this picture it says this wood frog is frozen, so it's frozen. Spring warm up. Spring comes. The frozen wood frog warms up. It starts to move again. The frog hops back to the pond where it was born. It returns every spring. It eats, jumps, and swims until next winter. Then it freezes again. So we're back in the springtime, so the frog is unfrozen, and now he is swimming in the water. Okay. Read the first sentence. What does the word freeze mean? Does it mean turn to ice, turn to water, or turn to wood? So if your freezes, water is it's not going to turn into water. It's not going to turn into wood. What is it going to turn into? It's going to turn into ice. And right here where it says question 1, it will tell you what page you can find the passage on. So it'll say page 1 of passage, okay? What can wood frogs do? Wood frogs can freeze in the cold. Wood frogs can make hard ice. Wood frogs can stay warm all year. So what can wood frogs do? What are they able to do that the other frogs are not able to do? Okay. Question 3, you can find it on page 2. Which picture shows what the word rest means? Like, I'm going to go rest because I had a very long day. Which picture shows a frog resting? Okay. Question 4, page 2 of the passage. What does the word spot mean? So you need to go back to page 2 of the passage and read where it talks about spot. Does it mean safe, fall, or place? Like, that is my spot in line. Is that your safe, your fall, or your place? Question 5, go to page 3. What does the word whole mean? Whole. I want the whole cake. Does it mean sometime, every part, or any place? Question 6, you're going to look at page 4 of the passage. Look at the word still. Which other words in the text help you understand what still means? Does not move, very long time, wood frog feels, still. Question 7, page 5 of the passage. What does return mean? Returns. Does return mean go away, goes back, or goes over? And then question 8, look at page 5. Look at the chart. What is happening in the spring? So in the fall, the wood frog finds a safe spot. In the winter, the wood frog freezes. And in the spring, does the wood frog wake up? Does the wood frog stay still? Or does the wood frog go to sleep? Okay. And then today for math, you're going to do math practice 13. So we're going to go to 13, 12, 13. We're still working with minus the minus today. As you see, it's a subtraction sign. So we start out with sum. We start out with the whole amount. Linus comes and takes some from us. And now we are left with how many, okay? So we started out with 3. Linus took one of those. So what is 3 minus 1? And you're going to put your answer, and you're going to do that for all of those. Okay? Look at your pictures to help you solve it. And then on science today, you're going to read this book, Living or Non-Living. You're going to read that book today. And that's all you're going to do for work today, except for choose a PE and a music activity. Okay? We're going to go ahead and pull up the calendar for today. It'll pull up. Okay. We're just going to go through a few. We're just going to go through the calendar today. So, today is the first day of the school week. So, it's not the weekend anymore. So, we need to fill in our pattern pieces first. So, on Friday was an egg. So, Saturday, what would we put in? A butterfly, a flower, or an egg? What would have been next? A butterfly, because we're starting our pattern. We've already went through all our pieces, so we need to start them again. So, Sunday would have been a flower. So today, on Monday, it would be a egg. And so I said that today is Monday. So if you're looking through your list, today is Monday. What was yesterday? What day comes before Monday? The first day of the week that we say. Sunday. So yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Monday, Tuesday. Very good. So today is Monday, April the 6th, 2020. Okay. All right, guys. I added some activities for you on the page. There's a writing activity, and then there is a Make It Monday activity. So if you do that, make sure you submit it into your student portfolio. Have a great morning. Bye.